Hey everyone, welcome to Jamaican Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this delicious, refreshing, healthy star fruit juice. Here I have my bowl of star fruit and my ginger, and everything is already thoroughly washed and clean. I won't be peeling my ginger since I'll be blending and straining everything, so I just made sure to remove any of the dirt that has been left behind. In addition to the fact that it makes a very delicious drink, star fruit has so many amazing health benefits. You can go ahead and research it. So now I'm going to cut up everything and add it to my blender. After blending, I'm gonna go ahead and sweeten my drink with some sugar. Now I'm using light brown sugar. However, if you have granulated sugar and you prefer to use that, you can use that instead. Or if you prefer to have it unsweetened, you can have it that way instead. Either way, it will still be delicious. And there you have it, star fruit juice made in Jamaican Kitchen. The flavor of this drink was perfectly balanced with that kick from the ginger and just the right amount of sweetness. A great thirst quencher on those hot days. Tag and follow me on Instagram at @Juenfo_. If you give this or any of my other recipes a try, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of my weekly uploads. I'm still on the journey to reaching 1,000 subscribers and I'd really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.